Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for stopping by today. If you guys are new here, I'm an all cash budgeter. I've been doing this since the end of February, beginning of March, and this journey has been life-changing for me. Today I'm going to be giving you an update on my savings challenges. I think the last time I did this was like April. So I'm going to give you an update on them, how much I've got saved, maybe talk about what I'm going to do with those challenges. So let's go ahead and get into it. I'm sorry about the angle for this, but the way the lighting is set up in here, there's my light source for today, so I had to kind of angle it to show you guys. So first up, I was going to go ahead and show you the change savings. So my balance for my change is $143.90, and I just add my change into this ATM and it adds it to the balance. Oops. So what did I say? The balance here is $143.90. We are going to get into our 100 envelope challenge. And so I'm not going to unstuff these. That's a little too tedious for me, but I will add them up and see what our total is so far. So far we have $143.90. You know what? I should be tracking this. And change, we have $143.90. And I have trackers for my 100 envelope challenge, but for the sake of mystery in the video, we won't oh, and my 52 week. Okay, but for the sake of mystery, I won't pull those trackers out so that we can add it up together, okay? So far in our 100 envelope challenge, we have $1,067. Alrighty, so next up we have our $10 savings challenge. So in here we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 140. So we have $140 in this challenge. Y'all, this is such an easy challenge to do, and it is adding up so quick. So if your budget is really tight, try this one or the $5 or $1 savings challenge. Those add up so quick. Okay, so next up, we're going to do our $5 savings challenge. And so while I only have a few fives in here, let's see what we have. We have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. So we have $40 in our actual envelope, but every $100 I take it out of the bank. I take it out and put it into my safe. So in my safe I have 200, 300, 400. So I have $400 in the safe and 40 here, right? So we have a total of $440 in our $5 savings challenge. And I don't have any ones in here because I just moved these as well. So in our safe we have $200 in $1 savings. So again, those are really simple. I just use rollover money for my cash envelopes for those. So it's like you don't even feel it, if that makes sense. Like it's not something that I'm budgeting for. It's just leftover money when I stick to my budget really well, or just have a week where I'm not spending a ton of money. Oh, so last up here we have our 52 week, which started out as a $1,500 challenge. I moved it up to $2,000. I surpassed that, so I've now moved it to a $5,000 challenge. So hopefully we can meet that by the end of the year. So in here now we have, so there's 2,000, 100, 200, 300, 50, 400, 50, 500, 50, 600, 50, 700, 50, 70, 90, 810, 830, 850, 870, 875, 880, 885. So $2,885 in our 52-week challenge. Let me write that down before I forget it. Okay. Alrighty. So that's all for our savings challenges. These are the only ones I'm participating in for now. You can grab the $10 challenge or a printable for a $100 challenge on my site. And also the 52-week challenge is available as well. So let's get a total for our total savings challenge amount. So we have saved $4,875.90, which is really good, y'all, considering that most of my savings is like rollover money or just additional money. A nice chunk of this is from that. So I'm really happy with this. Like I said, I was hoping to have $10,000 saved at the end of the year, but whatever we get is fine. I have intentions to use a big chunk of this to clear out any debt. So my goal, what I'm doing for myself for Christmas, is paying off all of my debt outside of my student loans, because those are like $50,000. So 2022 is my student loan payoff year. Like, I'm going hard for student loans next year. But for this year, it's commercial debt, medical debt, and just all around creating a healthier relationship with credit and finances, and investing and all that stuff. I really wanted to get all those things on track first. So with this money, I'm going to take probably about $2,000 of it and pay off any debt I have, any commercial debt that I have. The remaining portion, half of it will go towards the emergency fund, and the rest of it is going to fund my breast reduction. Whatever I haven't been able to save, this will go towards that. So far, these are the only challenges I'm participating in. Over the next few months, once I get my new car fund fully funded, you'll start seeing a lot more money go towards these challenges. So I probably will be able to attain that $10,000 amount by the end of the year. When I put my mind to something, I do it. So keep your eyes on me. If you see me slacking, let me know in the comments, because your girl has big goals, okay? So again, y'all, thank you so much for watching. Y'all show me so much love, and I appreciate it, y'all. Some days this is really hard to do. Today is one of those days when I just wanted to lay up in bed and just be in my feelings. I lost one of my basketball coaches from high school, and it's just been a day, y'all. So I appreciate you guys' support and just sticking with me through this. I know this may not be the cutest. I know y'all love the nails, but again, sis is having a day. So give me a little grace, y'all. So that's it, y'all. This is our update. I'm going to try to do this again before Christmas. I'm going to try to put it in a spreadsheet or something, because this is ghetto. But I'll have something better next time, okay? So y'all have a good day. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Have a good day. Bye.